Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for August 14th to the 28th. During this period, we have a ridge across southern states and eastern Canada and the northeast. A zone of flow remain across much of the northern states with a trough over western Canada. Now, during this period, we'll have a frontal boundary that will extend from the Tennessee Valley, and this will result in rain and storms across the central and southern Appalachians this weekend. So here we have Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday. It looks like mostly, let me go back a little bit on Friday, and Saturday there'll be heavy rain and storms. And then a cold front will push down into the central Gulf Coast states on Tuesday, and this will bring diurnal enhanced rainfall amounts. We're going to go here next Tuesday. You can see here diurnal activity, and then a ridge in the west will cause temperatures to be about 10 to 15 degrees above normal from the southern plains, the Four Corners, the desert southwest, and west of the Rockies. We're going to look now at the period for August 19th to the 23rd. And we have during this period a ridge, fairly strong ridge here in the west, trough in the east. Simple as said and done. And we go to the end of the period, we don't see much change. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. This will be brief though. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Now, looking ahead for the period for August 24th to 28th. We still have our ridge in the west. There is a tendency for a trough here in the east. Zone of flow remains here. Our trough is over here. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more will be above normal, and this is because a lot of this area is experiencing drought conditions. We'll take a look at that. This is the current drought condition map. You see most of this area is dry, and this is the amount of rainfall that is needed to end the drought in these areas. You can see some areas here like in Texas, in the red, 9 to 12 inches. The oranges, 3 to 6. You have some areas here that need over 15 inches. So this is why it's been abnormally warm across much of the west. And also parts of the east have been also very warm, and there's some drought conditions here, but this is the amount of rain that's needed to end the drought in this region. And for precipitation and for temperatures, I'm calling and below normal, near to below normal temperatures are forecast for this region here in the east. There'll be a degree or two either side of normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And we're going to take a look at current tropical system here in the Atlantic. It's tropical. The National Hurricane Center gives it still an 80% chance of occurrence, although convection has decreased since this morning, but it still has a 90% chance to occur within the next 48 hours and also in the next 5 to 10 days. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 14th to 28th. Thanks for coming, Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.